Everyday developers are launching new AI tools for automation, productivity, secure agent workflows, and business operations. This weekly update video highlights practical AI platforms and emerging agent technologies that teams can start exploring today. Top trending AI agent projects this week help businesses automate workflows, improve collaboration, secure AI systems, and build more efficient AI-powered applications.
Welcome back to Manu AGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Project number 1, Spira, AI Growth Assistant for Business Workflows. Spira is an AI productivity platform that helps businesses automate growth, outreach, and operational workflows through conversational AI. It organizes customer interactions, supports campaign execution, and streamlines repetitive business tasks in one workspace. The system connects AI assistants with everyday operations so teams can spend less time on manual coordination. It is built for startups, founders, and growth teams looking to improve execution efficiency. Try Spira to simplify your business workflows. Project number 2, Agent Mode by Receiptor AI. Autonomous AI for receipt and invoice management. Agent Mode by Receiptor AI is an AI automation feature that manages receipts, invoices, and financial documents with minimal manual effort. It identifies new financial records, extracts key details, and organizes them into structured workflows for accounting and expense tracking. The system connects with email and document sources to process information automatically. It is designed for professionals and businesses that want hands-free financial administration. Explore Agent Mode to automate document processing. Project number 3, ClinePass, Secure Authentication for AI Coding Agents. ClinePass is an authentication platform that helps developers securely connect AI coding agents with external services. It manages credentials and access permissions so agents can interact with tools without exposing sensitive information. The system is built for developers creating agent-driven workflows that require secure integrations. It simplifies authentication while improving operational safety. Try ClinePass to secure your AI development workflows. Project number 4, VisibAI, AI Visibility and Analytics for Digital Performance. VisibAI is an analytics platform that helps businesses monitor online visibility, measure digital performance, and understand audience engagement through AI-powered insights. It analyzes performance data across connected channels and presents actionable information in a centralized workspace. The system is designed for marketers and growth teams that need faster decision-making. It turns complex analytics into clear operational insights. Explore VisibAI to improve digital visibility. Project number 5, PMB, AI Product Management Assistant. PMB is an AI assistant that helps product teams organize planning, prioritize work, and manage product development workflows. It supports requirement gathering, documentation, and decision-making through conversational AI. The platform is designed for product managers who need structured execution without relying on multiple disconnected tools. It simplifies planning while keeping product information organized. Try PMB to streamline product management. Project number 6, Outpaint Ad Reframe, AI Creative Optimization for Advertising. Outpaint Ad Reframe is an AI creative tool that helps marketers adapt advertising visuals for different formats and placements. It expands and reframes existing creative assets while preserving key visual elements, making campaigns easier to reuse across channels. The system reduces manual design work and speeds up creative production for marketing teams. It is useful for advertisers managing campaigns across multiple platforms. Explore Outpaint Ad Reframe for faster creative adaptation. Project number 7, Spotlight by Backplanes, AI Workspace for Operational Insights. Spotlight by Backplanes is an AI platform that helps teams surface important operational information across connected workflows. It gathers relevant context, highlights key updates, and presents actionable insights in one interface. The system is built for organizations that need better visibility across projects and business operations. It simplifies information discovery by bringing critical updates into focus. Try Spotlight to stay on top of operational activity. Project number 8, Persona.js, framework for AI character and persona interactions. Persona.js is a development framework that helps developers create AI-powered personas for conversational applications. It provides tools for defining personality, behavior, and interaction patterns so AI experiences remain consistent across conversations. The system is designed for builders creating assistants, agents, and interactive characters. It simplifies persona management within AI applications. Explore Persona.js to build conversational experiences. Project number 9, Folio AI, AI Portfolio Assistant for Professionals. Folio AI is a productivity platform that helps users create, organize, and present professional portfolios with AI assistance. It supports content generation, portfolio structure, and presentation workflows through a streamlined interface. The system is designed for creators, freelancers, and professionals who want to showcase their work more effectively. It simplifies portfolio creation while improving presentation quality. Try Folio AI to build your professional portfolio. Project number 10, QApilot's CoWork, collaborative AI workspace for quality assurance. QApilot's CoWork is a collaborative AI platform that helps software teams manage testing workflows and quality assurance activities together. It provides a shared environment where users can coordinate testing tasks, review results, and work alongside AI-assisted tools. The system is built for engineering teams seeking better collaboration during software validation. It streamlines testing workflows while keeping teams aligned. Explore QApilot's CoWork for collaborative QA. Project number 11, Agent Arena, platform for building and evaluating AI agents. Agent Arena is an AI development platform that helps users build, test, and compare autonomous agents in a shared environment. It provides tools for configuring agent behavior, running evaluations, and observing performance across different scenarios. The system is designed for developers and researchers working with agent-based applications. It supports structured experimentation and continuous improvement. Try Agent Arena to develop AI agents. Project number 12, Gemini Spark, AI agent for task execution and productivity. Google Gemini Spark is an AI agent that helps users complete tasks, coordinate workflows, and interact with connected services through natural language. It combines reasoning, planning, and tool usage to support everyday productivity across Google's ecosystem. The system is designed for users who want AI assistants that can take action instead of only answering questions. It makes everyday workflows more efficient through agent-based automation. Explore Gemini Spark to automate daily tasks. Project number 13, note.md, Markdown First Workspace for AI-assisted notes. Note.md is a Markdown-based note-taking platform that helps users organize knowledge and write with AI assistance. It combines structured Markdown editing with intelligent features that improve writing, organization, and information retrieval. The system is designed for developers, writers, and knowledge workers who prefer plain text workflows. It keeps notes portable while making them easier to manage. Try Note.md for AI-assisted note-taking. Project number 14, Atlas, AI workspace for business operations. Atlas by NanoNets is an AI operations platform that helps teams organize work, automate business processes, and coordinate operational tasks from one workspace. It connects business data with AI-driven workflows that simplify execution and reduce repetitive work. The system is built for organizations looking to improve efficiency across departments. It turns operational information into actionable workflows. Explore Atlas to streamline business operations. Project number 15, ModuleX, Modular Framework for AI Application Development. ModuleX is a development platform that helps teams build AI applications through reusable modules and structured workflows. It provides components for connecting models, tools, and business logic into scalable systems without rebuilding common functionality. The system is designed for developers creating modular AI products. It simplifies application development through reusable architecture. Try ModuleX to accelerate AI development. Project number 16, Basedash for Excel, AI data access inside Microsoft Excel. Basedash for Excel connects live business data with Microsoft Excel, allowing users to work with operational information directly inside spreadsheets. It synchronizes connected data sources so teams can analyze and update information without manual exports. The system is designed for business users who rely on Excel while needing access to current operational data. It simplifies reporting and analysis through live connections. Explore Basedash for Excel to work with connected data. Project number 17. SquidHub, AI collaboration platform for team productivity. SquidHub is a collaboration platform that helps teams organize projects, share information, and manage tasks with AI-assisted support. It combines planning, communication, and workflow management in a centralized workspace designed for collaborative execution. The system is built for teams that want a more organized approach to everyday work. It simplifies coordination while keeping project information accessible. Try SquidHub to improve team collaboration. Project number 18. Framer, AI website builder for modern web design. Framer is an AI-assisted website platform that helps users design, publish, and manage websites through visual editing and prompt-based generation. It combines design tools, content management, and hosting in one browser-based environment. The system is designed for founders, marketers, and creators who need professional websites without extensive coding. It speeds up web creation through AI-assisted workflows. Explore Framer to build websites with AI. Project number 19. LockIn MCP Secure Model Context Protocol Server Management. LockIn MCP is a security platform that helps developers manage and protect model context protocol servers used by AI agents. It provides authentication, access control, and connection management so AI systems can interact with external tools more securely. The system is built for developers deploying MCP-based agent workflows in production. It improves security while simplifying infrastructure management. Try LockIn MCP to secure your agent connections. Project number 20. AI Slide Editor by CubeOne, AI editing for presentation workflows. AI Slide Editor by CubeOne is a presentation editing tool that helps users refine slides through AI-assisted content and layout improvements. It supports rewriting, restructuring, and visual adjustments without requiring manual design work. The system is designed for professionals who create presentations regularly and want faster editing workflows. It simplifies slide refinement while maintaining presentation quality. Explore AI Slide Editor to improve your presentations. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.